Hello student, Namaste Subhanallah. I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to teach you about the hormone and its chemical nature. So without wasting time, let's move into the topic. So in first we will discuss about amine hormone. So in first we will discuss about amine hormone. Amine hormone. Remember the amine hormone. We have one trick, and the trick is amine and don't दिखाई ama I and don't दिखाई, or you can remember simply as DANTA. Dant means we all know dant means teeth. So here ama I and dant दिखाई. ama I dant दिखाई, teeth, or you can simply remember as danta, DANTA, danta. So in the trick we have DANTA, danta, teeth, that is teeth. So in first we have D. So D means dopamine. In second we have A means adrenaline, or it is also called epinephrine. In third we have N means noradrenaline, or you can say norepinephrine. And in fourth we have T means thyroxine, and in last we have A means amine hormone. That is, these all are example of amine hormone. So here is the trick. ama I dant दिखाई, or you can say DANTA, danta. D for dopamine, A for adrenaline, which is also called epinephrine, N for norepinephrine, T for thyroxine, A for amine hormone. And in second we will be discussing about steroid hormone. So for the steroid hormone, we know steroid hormone means all sex hormone, or we can say a hormone produced by adrenal cortex, that is sex hormone, all sex hormone. Steroid hormone is easy. Everybody knows about steroid, that is sex hormone, so it does not need that is special trick. Sex hormone, mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid. These all are the secretion produced by adrenal cortex, these three. And now for the two we can remember PC, that is placental hormones. All placental hormones are steroid hormone. And in fifth we have calcitriol. So for these 4 and 5th, remember PC, personal computer, PC. So in steroid hormone, all knows about steroid, that is sex hormone, mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and placental hormone and calcitriol. Placental hormone is important. So now in last we will be discussing about peptide hormone. So the trick for peptide hormone is remaining all, remaining all, except those amine and steroid hormone. Remaining all are peptide hormone. For example, pituitary hormone like FSH, LH, oxytocin, FSH, LH, ACTH, growth hormone, prolactin, etc. In second, we have hypothalamus hormone. Hypothalamus hormone. So like oxytocin, ADH, etc. And also pancreatic hormone like insulin and glucagon, and so on. There are many more peptide hormone remaining all. So pituitary hormone, FSH, LH, ACTH, growth hormone, prolactin, and so on. Hypothalamic hormone, pancreatic hormone. This is all about peptide hormone. So this all about classification of hormone depending on chemical nature. We have first amine hormone, then steroid hormone, then peptide hormone. For amine hormone we have one trick, DANTA danta, or AMA I दांत दिखाई, D for dopamine, A for adrenaline, epinephrine, N for non-adrenaline, T for thyroxine, and then steroid hormone. We all know steroid is sex hormone. So sex hormone, mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and after that PC, placental hormone, and calcitrol, and after that at last peptide hormone. So in peptide hormone remaining all pituitary hormone, hypothalamic hormone, pancreatic hormone. So my dear student, I hope you all understand the hormone. So please take the screenshot and make the note properly. And thank you for the class. See you in the next.